Hello, hello, hello. Welcome back to My Simple English Podcast. I am Mark.
And I am Sarah. Hello, everyone. We are so happy to have you here with us today.
Yes, we are. This is the podcast where we help you learn English in a fun and natural way. We want you to feel comfortable and confident.
Exactly. Whether you are listening in the car, on the bus, or at home, we are glad you are here. So, Mark, how are you today?
I am doing well, Sarah, but to be honest, I am feeling a little bit lazy today.
Lazy? Oh no. Why do you feel lazy?
Well, I have some goals. I want to exercise more, I want to read more books, but when I come home from work, I just want to sit on the sofa and watch TV. It is very hard to keep going.
I understand completely, Mark. We all feel that way sometimes. It is hard to stay motivated.
Yes, it is. And that is actually our topic for today, right?
That is right. Today we are talking about self-discipline.
Self-discipline. That sounds like a big, scary word. Can you explain what it means in simple English?
Of course, self-discipline simply means doing what you need to do even when you do not want to do it.
Ah, I see. So it's like brushing your teeth. Sometimes I am tired and I do not want to brush my teeth, but I do it anyway. Is that self-discipline?
Yes, that is a perfect example. It's about controlling your feelings to reach a goal.
Okay, so self-discipline helps us brush our teeth. But why is it important for our listeners?
Great question. Self-discipline is the secret to success. It helps you with everything. It helps you learn English, it helps you stay healthy, and it helps you save money.
That is true. Many people start learning English, but they stop after 1 month.
Exactly. Motivation gets you started, but discipline keeps you going. Motivation is like a fire. Sometimes it's hot, but sometimes it goes out. Discipline is like a machine. It keeps working every day.
I like that comparison. I want to be a machine. So, Sarah, how can we become more disciplined? Is it hard?
It does not have to be hard. Today, we are going to look at 3 simple patterns or tips to build self-discipline.
Awesome. Let's break it down. Okay, Sarah, what is the first tip?
Pattern number 1, start with tiny habits.
Tiny habits? You mean very small habits?
Yes, very, very small. Mark, when you want to exercise, what do you usually do?
Well, I tell myself, Mark, you must run for 1 hour today.
And do you do it?
No, it sounds too hard, so I watch TV instead.
Exactly. 1 hour is too big. It's scary for your brain. You should start with a tiny habit. Instead of 1 hour, try 5 minutes.
5 minutes? That's too short. Can I really get fit in 5 minutes?
The goal is not to get fit immediately. The goal is to build the habit. If you exercise for 5 minutes every day, you won't quit. It's easy to say yes to 5 minutes.
I see. So for English learners, they should not study for 2 hours a day.
Right. That is too much for a beginner. Try 10 minutes a day. Listen to one song. Read one page. Start tiny.
I love that. Start tiny. Okay, what is the second tip?
Pattern number 2, focus on the system, not the goal.
System versus goal. Can you explain that?
Sure, a goal is the result you want. For example, I want to speak perfect English.
That is a good goal.
It is, but a system is the daily plan. For example, I will listen to a podcast every morning at 8 a.m.
Ah, I understand. The goal is the destination, the system is the road to get there.
Yes, if you only think about the goal, you might feel sad because you are not there yet. But if you focus on the system, you feel good every time you follow the plan.
So we should focus on today. Just do the plan for today.
Exactly. Make it a routine.
Okay, start tiny and focus on the routine. What is the third tip?
Pattern number 3, change your environment.
Environment means the place around you, right? Like your room or your house?
Yes, your environment can help you or it can hurt you. Mark, you said you watch TV instead of exercising. Where is your remote control?
It's right next to me on the sofa.
See, that makes it very easy to watch TV. Imagine if you put the remote control in a different room.
Oh, then I have to stand up to get it. That makes it harder to watch TV.
Correct. And where are your running shoes?
They are, in the closet, under some boxes.
So it's hard to get them. You want to make good habits easy and bad habits hard. Put your running shoes next to your bed. Put your English book on your pillow.
That is very smart. If I see the book, I will remember to read. If I see the shoes, I will remember to run.
Exactly. Design your life to be easy.
These are great tips, Sarah. Let's practice them. I want to show our listeners how this works in real life.
Good idea. Let's do a mini scenario. I will be a student who is struggling. You help me, okay?
Okay, I am ready.
Mark, I want to learn new English vocabulary words, but I am always too tired at night. I never do it.
Okay, Sarah. Remember pattern number 1. You are trying to do too much. How many words are you trying to learn?
I try to learn 20 words every night.
20 is too many. Start with tiny habits. Just learn one word a day. Can you do one word?
One word? Yes, I can do that. That is easy.
Great. Now let's use pattern number 3. Change your environment. Where is your vocabulary notebook?
It is in my bag.
Take it out of your bag. Put it on the kitchen table. When you eat breakfast, you will see it.
Oh, I like that. I can learn my one word while I drink my coffee.
See? Start tiny and change your environment. Now you have a system.
Thank you, Mark. That feels much better.
That was a good example. Now, Sarah, is self-discipline different in different cultures?
That is an interesting question. In the USA and the UK, people talk a lot about New Year's resolutions.
Yes, in January, everyone says, I will go to the gym every day.
Exactly. The gyms are very full in January, but by February, they are empty.
Why is that?
Because people rely on motivation, not discipline. They set goals that are too big.
So American culture likes big goals, but sometimes they forget the small habits.
Yes. However, there is also a big culture of accountability partners in the West.
Accountability partner. That is a long phrase. What does it mean?
Accountability means being responsible. An accountability partner is a friend who checks on you. For example, you and I could be partners. You ask me, Sarah, did you study today? And I ask you, Mark, did you exercise?
That is very helpful. It's harder to be lazy if I know you will ask me about it.
Exactly. Having a friend helps a lot. It makes the journey less lonely.
All right, listeners, now it is your turn to practice. We want you to repeat after us.
We will say a phrase, then we will leave a quiet space. You should say the phrase out loud. Are you ready?
Let's go.
I will start with tiny habits.
I can do 5 minutes a day.
I will focus on my routine.
I will make good habits easy.
Consistency is the key to success.
Great job, everyone!
Yes, well done. Speaking out loud is very important for your English muscles.
Sarah, before we finish, do you have any other small secrets for discipline?
I have one more. It is called Make It Fun or Temptation Bundling.
Temptation bundling? That sounds fancy.
It just means combining something you must do with something you love to do.
Can you give me an example?
Sure, I love listening to music, but I do not like washing the dishes. So I make a rule. I can only listen to my favorite podcast or music while I wash the dishes.
Ah, so washing dishes becomes fun because you get to listen to music.
Exactly. For English learners, maybe you love chocolate.
You can make a rule. I can only eat this piece of chocolate after I finish my English lesson.
That is bribery, bribing yourself. I love it.
It works. Your brain learns that studying English equals something tasty.
I am definitely going to try that. I will eat a cookie after I go for a run.
Just make sure you run enough to burn off the cookie mark.
Good point. Well, we have learned a lot today. Let's do a quick review.
Okay, number 1, start tiny. Don't try to be perfect immediately. 5 minutes is enough. Number 2, focus on the system. Build a daily routine. Number 3, design your environment. Put your books where you can see them. Hide the remote control.
And don't forget the cultural tip, get an accountability partner. Find a friend to help you.
Mark, I have a challenge for our listeners.
What is the challenge?
I want you to choose one tiny habit for this week. Just one. Maybe it is learning one English word a day. Maybe it is drinking one glass of water in the morning.
That is a great challenge.
And please tell us about it. Write a comment below. Tell us, what is your tiny habit?
We love reading your comments. It inspires us.
Absolutely. If you enjoyed this episode, please subscribe to the channel and give us a like. It helps other students find us.
Thank you so much for listening. Remember, big results come from small changes.
Keep practicing, stay positive, and be kind to yourself.
We will see you in the next episode. Bye-bye.
Goodbye, everyone!